For today's video, I'm going to be showing you a bunch of different styles of the Saalt period underwear. If you haven't seen my original review video for Saalt period underwear, definitely check that out. I will link that in the description box below. I'll also put a card up here, but I would say check out that video first because I do give my overall review about the underwear, and I also just talk about my favorite styles and all that stuff. I will tell you guys my favorite styles in this video as well, but that video is more so my review video. And for this video, of course, I'm still going to share my thoughts, but I just wanted to show you guys more of the styles that they have because I do have more of the underwear now. Saalt was very kind to send me some more of the styles. But anyway, opinions are always honest and my own. This video is not sponsored. I'm not being paid to make this video. This video is just to help you guys out and show you guys more of the styles. Now, if you are somebody who has been looking for a period underwear brand that very much does not treat their underwear with PFAS, also known as forever chemicals, then I think that this brand would really interest you. If you heard about the Things lawsuit, that was a whole thing, and while I don't know that they necessarily intentionally treated the underwear with PFAS, I know there was a lot of concern about that, and of course I understand why. Obviously we want to be very careful about the products that we use, especially like period underwear, because it's going, you know, it's in such a sensitive area. Of course we want to avoid PFAS, but it's also important to know that PFAS are in so many of our things now. If it came in contact with plastic, it's could be affected by PFAS. But that's something that I really like about Saalt period underwear, is that their underwear comes packaged in cardboard or paper, so they're making sure that they don't wrap the products in plastic, which is great. And they do also make it very clear that they do not treat their underwear with PFAS. So anyway, let's go ahead and get into the styles. If you are interested in getting anything from Saalt, I do have a discount code where you guys can save some money, so definitely make sure to check out the description box below. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into the different styles. This is the Leakproof Seamless High Waist. This is their regular absorbency. I got this in a size medium, and this is in the color Volcanic Black. I really like this style. It's so nice and comfortable. It very much is, like it says, seamless. The name of this is seamless, and it is very seamless, feels very just comfortable on, and I really like this style. Now, of course, Saalt does have a bunch of different absorbency levels, so you can decide what works best for you. I do talk more about the absorbency levels in my original review video, but regular is a great, I feel like, one for just your regular days where you're not having a super heavy flow, but just your regular days. Although honestly, I can use a regular pretty much any day of my period, and I find that it lasts really well. This next one is the Leakproof Comfort Boyshort. This is the heavy absorbency. I got this in a size large, and this is the soft lavender color. Now this one is their heavy absorbency, so the underwear itself does feel a little bit thicker in the crotch area. However, it still is really impressive how these are. Like, they're really not super thick feeling. It doesn't feel anything like having a pad on. It feels actually pretty thin. This one definitely is one of the more thicker feeling ones because it is heavy, and also because of the style, because it is a boy short. It feels a little bit thicker than some of the other styles, but still really impressive how thin they can make these be, and then also have it be heavy absorbency. I really love the comfort style. The boy short isn't my absolute favorite, just because, again, it feels a little bit thicker. However, it's still a really great style. I feel like for nighttime, if you want something to make sure it's going to be completely leak proof, though honestly these are all very leak proof. I've never had any issues with there being any leakage. Next is the Leakproof Cotton Sleep Short in Super, and this is a size large in the color of Volcanic Black. So this one is going to be even more absorbent than the other style. So this one is specifically meant for nighttime. This is their sleep short, and this has super absorbency, so this is also great for wearing at nighttime or just on a day where you really want to make sure that you're really protected. This is a great one as well. And again, this one feels a little bit thicker, but still it really feels quite thin still for being super absorbency. It's really impressive. So then the next style is the Leakproof Seamless Brief in their regular absorbency. I got this in a size medium, and this is the color Smooth Terracotta. So these seamless versions are definitely some of my absolute favorite. I think that they are just so comfortable. They really almost just feel almost like your skin, just like regular underwear. And the regular absorbency one is so thin. It really does seem like regular underwear. It's so impressive how thin that these are, and yet they're still so absorbent. This is the Leakproof French Cut High Waist. This is the heavy absorbency. I got this in a size medium, and this is the Volcanic black color. They do have other colors available if none of the colors that I'm showing are standing out to you, so definitely check out the different colors that they have because they do have quite a few options, so that's really fun. But this style I feel like is just really, it just doesn't look like period underwear at all. It just looks like super cute underwear. So I like that about these as well, is that they don't necessarily just look like period underwear. Like, they're still cute, they're comfortable, and they're cute. So then the next style is the Leakproof Mesh Hipster. This is their super absorbency. I got this in a size large, and this is in the color Mountain Sage. This is another one of my favorite styles. The mesh version is very comfortable, very like smooth material as well, just super comfortable. And the super absorbency, again, it's not like it's a super thick crotch area, but yet it's still so absorbent. It's so impressive, and these are really comfortable. This is the Leakproof Seamless Brief in the super absorbency. Got this in a size large, and this is the color Midnight Sky. Again, this is one of my favorites. This is the brief version. So the seamless line does have a variety of options. They have a brief, and they also have high-waisted. So then next is the Leakproof Comfort Bikini. This is regular absorbency. I got it in a size large, and this is the color Rich Ruby. This color is really pretty. I also have the Comfort Brief to show you in the same color. I'll show you that one as well in a little bit, but it just shows you the different kind of styles that they have in the same lines. And then I also wanted to show you guys that they do have a mesh laundry bag if you don't already have one. If you do already have one, that works just fine, but when you are washing these, using a mesh laundry bag is really important. It just kind of helps them stay in better quality for longer. Saalt also does have a laundry detergent if you do want a laundry detergent specifically for your period underwear. You really just want a nice gentle laundry detergent, nothing crazy. I personally also use Clean People. That's one of my favorite laundry detergents. I mean, that is really the only laundry detergent that my family uses, and it's really nice and gentle, uses conscious ingredients. But I do like using the Saalt laundry detergent as well. It is a liquid detergent. It's nice and simple, has simple ingredients, so that is great if you do want a specific laundry detergent for your period underwear. But of course you don't have to do that, but it's just an option if you want that. I thought that was cool that they had that, but otherwise just using any regular laundry detergent that you have. Also, something that's super important about period underwear is that you don't want to put it in the dryer. You want to hang it to dry, because if you put it in the dryer, it can mess with the effectiveness of the period underwear. And I feel like it can just kind of make the period underwear not last as long. Like, it can kind of make it just gets it more used faster, if that makes sense. So hanging it to dry also helps to expand the lifetime of the period underwear. But really, the period underwear should last you a very long time if you take good care of them. Years and years and years. Next is the Leakproof Mesh Thong. This is their light absorbency. Next is the Leakproof Comfort Brief. This is in the super absorbency. I got this in a size large, and this is the color Olive Grove. So again, this is another one of the comfort styles. I really like this style. This is definitely one of my favorites. My favorites are definitely the comfort line and the seamless line. Those are my top two favorites. The mesh underwear is also really nice. I'd say that one is my third choice. This is the Comfort Brief. This is heavy absorbency. I got this in a size large, and this is the color Rich Ruby. The heavy absorbency holds up to 4 tampons. Next is the Seamless High Waist. I got it in a size medium. This is the Volcanic black color, and this is actually zero absorbency. So they actually do have some regular underwear as well, which I just discovered. I didn't know if they had that. So this one is actually not period underwear. This is just regular underwear, so it doesn't have any absorbency. So if you really like the seamless style and you want regular underwear in the seamless style, they have that as well. So I thought that that was really cool because I love the seamless style, and I almost kind of wanted one in a non-absorbency, just one to wear as regular underwear, because sometimes I would be tempted to just wear that underwear as regular underwear. So it's really cool they have a zero absorbency option for that style. They also do have a mesh bralette. They just launched bralettes, and this is their mesh bralette. This is a size medium, and this is the color Blue Rain. This is a really nice bralette. To be completely honest, I don't normally wear bralettes super often. I don't always find them to be super comfortable all the time, just because the bras that I normally wear are just very comfortable and they're seamless. But this bralette is really comfortable. It also does have a hook and eye closure, so that's really nice. So it's very adjustable. It also has adjustable straps. But what I like about this bralette too is that it does have some padding in here, but it's very minimal. It's very light padding, so it's gonna help give you some coverage, but it's not going to be like heavy padding. So that's really nice. I really like that about this. I think it's super comfortable. It also is very flattering, very pretty design. Now this is their mesh bralette, so it does match their mesh period underwear. So really cool that they now have bralettes as well. I just wanted to show you guys more of the period underwear styles and also introduce you guys to the bralettes that they have now, because I just am a huge fan of Saalt period underwear. The underwear is my favorite. It's game changer. I've been looking for a period underwear brand ever since I stopped using Thinx, so it's just been really nice to find a brand like Saalt. I love them. I think they're great. They're absolutely worth the investment. Yes, they are more money at once to buy a few pairs, but once you do that, it saves you so much money in the long run. And again, I do have a discount code so you guys can save some money, so make sure to check out the description box below. I do have that discount for you guys. But yeah, so personally, I think that all you really need is like 5 to 7 pairs of underwear. You could also start with less if you don't want to go in and invest that much all at once, because I know it is a little bit of an investment up front, but hopefully the discount code will also help you guys. I would say, like, if you're really just starting out and you want to see if you actually like the period underwear first and you want to try out some of the styles first before maybe getting some more styles or before just investing in more, then I would say maybe start with like 3 or 4 pairs. That way you can test them out, and that way you can still use them for a cycle, and then you can just like wash some during your period and just reuse them, hang them to dry and reuse them. But if you want, I say normally 5 to 7 pairs, just so that it can last you a full cycle without you having to worry about washing them and dealing with that while you are on your period, if that makes sense. Just that way you don't have to worry about quickly washing one so you can use it again while you're on your period. That's just me, because I just like to be able to have some on rotation and be able to just not have to worry about washing them while I'm on my period, because while I'm on my period, I'm not always comfortable. You know, I get cramps and I just want to relax. I don't want to have to worry about washing them. Yes, of course I do wash them, but I normally will wait until my period is over and then I will wash them all together. Of course, I'll rinse them out, but then I will wash them in the washer when my period is over, so I can just wash them all together. Obviously, I know I have a bigger collection than 5 to 7 pairs now. Great to have it on rotation, but you definitely don't need to have as many styles as I showed you guys. But yeah, I would say maybe start with 3 to 4 pairs, but if you want to invest in a full set so you're good to go and it can last you your entire period, I would say maybe 5 to 7 pairs. But it also depends on your cycle and how long your period lasts. So yeah, maybe you need less if you have a shorter period than 5 or 7 days. But anyway, hopefully this video helped you out, helped you get an idea for more of the styles. Let me know which styles you think look the best to you. If you have any questions about the underwear, definitely let me know in the comment section below. I'd be happy to help answer any questions that you may have. I absolutely love Saalt. I would definitely recommend them if you've been looking for period underwear. They are so great and I just absolutely love them. But anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel and you want to see even more content from me in the future, I would absolutely love it if you would go ahead and subscribe to my channel. But anyway, thank you so much for watching and I hope you tune in for my next video.